You can cross all the other oceans, but that one is, Abhiman, Man, honor, distinction. That's the final. Finally, when you cross so many oceans, you get blessed by Krishna to live in Braj. And then when you live in Braj and do bhajan, then you have to cross the ocean of the mind. And other places, and other births, and other bodies, you cross the ocean of the body. The ocean of the body and senses. Vacho vegam, manasakroda vegam. So all the vacha, all the vegams except the mana. So man, buddhi, hankar. This is antakaran. This is the subtle body. Then when you get to Braj, okay, you're not greedy, you're not lust, you're not envious, you're not all these things. Kam, krodh, lobh, anger, everything is gone. All the oceans you crossed, and you're blessed with Brajavas and Brajabhajan. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. And now Krishna says, okay, now let go of your antakaran. Let go of your mind. Let go of your buddhi. Let go of your hankar. I'm so and so. So all the sadhus and sadhvis, and ladies, sadhvis, lady saintly people and sadhu, men saintly people living in Braj for years, they're all on the road of the mind and trying to cross the mind. Sankalpa, Vikalpa. First lower level of mind is Sankalpa and Vikalpa. Sankalpa means accepting, Vikalpa means rejecting. So they go beyond accepting and beyond rejecting. That's the lower level of man. Then you go to the higher level of man, which meets with buddhi. Then there's thinking and being, and no more accepting anything of this world, no more rejecting anything of this world. There's a certain atmaramata that comes as the mind becomes elevated. Certain degree of self-satisfaction that comes when the senses are fully under control. Indriya dant. Senses are fully under control. No more lust, anger, greed, envy, madness, all these things. Now you control sankalpa, vikalpa of the mind, accepting, rejecting. Whatever Krishna gives, everything is kripa, everything is mercy. I have no wants, I have no needs. Yoga Shema Mahamyaham, 7th chapter of Gita, verse 22. Ananyas Chintayantva. Thank you. Very good. So now we come to the identity problem. So this is the verse in the translation.